In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage signing tasks in DocuSign by creating and using signing groups. This feature is perfect for simplifying the signing process, especially when multiple people can sign on behalf of the same collective group, such as a department or team. To begin, open your Google Chrome browser and log into your DocuSign account. Once you're logged in, you'll need to head over to the settings page. To do that, look for the settings option in the menu. It's usually found toward the left-hand side of your screen. Click on it to proceed. After you're in the settings section, navigate to Signing Groups. It's here where you'll create the signing group. Imagine you have a team where any member can approve documents and you want all of them included. Click to enter this section and let's start setting up that group. Now let's create the signing group. This involves compiling a list of users, members of your team, who can sign documents on behalf of the entire group. This way you can ensure flexibility. Begin by entering the names or email addresses of the users you want to include in this group. Consider individuals who frequently handle the signing responsibilities. Once you've added everyone needed, save this newly formed signing group and it's ready to use. The next step is about assigning your signing groups appropriately. To do this, you'll assign the groups to templates or envelopes, which represent the documents you need to be signed. Assigning them as recipient roles in these templates or envelopes ensures that anyone from the signing group can proceed with signing when necessary. This is crucial for instances where timing and flexibility are key factors, allowing documents to be signed without having to specify exactly who must do it each time. Finally, when sending out these envelopes containing the documents that need signatures, you'll want to ensure that they are set up to allow any member of the group to complete the signing. This setup allows the first available or convenient group member to sign, thus accelerating the whole process and ensuring no hiccups arise from a single person's unavailability. In summary, by utilizing signing groups in DocuSign, you can streamline your document workflow, making it easier and faster for essential documents to be signed off in a team or departmental setting. Whether it's for a small team or a large departmental group, having this system in place allows seamless delegation and increased efficiency. So go ahead, configure your signing groups, and experience a smoother, more collaborative signing process.